Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to show you some products that I was sent by a company called Skyreat, and they specialize in making ND lens filters for drones like DJI, Autel Robotics, Parrot, and I believe others. This here is one of their 6-pack ND filters, and this one is for the DJI Mini 2, but I have found that these do fit on the Xeno Mini SE as well. Now, I haven't tested them out yet. They do fit, but I haven't tested out to see if the lens, create any distortions or anything else like that. So I'll try to see if I can get a video out on that soon. But yeah, anyway, in today's video, I'm not showing you guys this. Throw that to the side. Look at that, got it right in the bag. Today I'll be showing you guys this here, which is the Skyreat drone landing pad. This one's pretty nice. It's foldable, it's waterproof and sunproof, and by sunproof I mean that over time, if you leave it in the sun, it won't discolor, so that's pretty nice. It's a 50 by 50 centimeter pad, 20 inches, and it's made from PU leather. I don't know what that means, and PVC plastic. We all know what PVC is. For those who don't know what PVC is, it's what those white pipes that plumbers use. That's made from a PVC plastic. So that's PVC. So let's go ahead and open it up, being that I have opened it up already. Throw this box here on the side. So this is the bag it comes in. It's really nice, very simple. You can carry it with you wherever you go. That's pretty cool. So inside of it, pretty basic, you have the landing pad itself. So as you can see, it's nice and foldable. So you can carry this with you wherever you go on your travels. And you just unfold it like this. And hopefully you guys can see it entirely in the shot. And it comes in 2 colors, this one being black. Turn it upside down, this one being black, and on the other side is orange. And you have the markings here: northwest, northeast, southeast, and southwest over here. So yeah, and you just fold it back, put it right in the bag, and that's it. So I'm just gonna put the drone on it and show you guys how it looks really nicely. And yeah, that's basically all for this video. It wasn't anything long. I just wanted to share this with you guys really quickly. If you're interested in knowing more about it, or if you want to purchase it, I'll leave a link below in the video description to where you can find it, as well as the ND filters as well. Anyway, that's it for this one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you can do that now by clicking on the subscribe button, and also click on that notify bell, which will notify you every time I do upload a new video to the channel. And with that said, thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one.